Talk, talk, talk. Yan na lang yung ginagawa mo, digong eh. Daldal ng daldal. 157 P. Tuason, Cubao, Quezon City. Aantayin kita. Galit ako sa mga tao na akala nila sila lang ang kapangyarihan dito sa bansa natin. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nakaharap ng iyong katapat, digong, nandito ako, hindi kita aatrasan. Sa dami ng problema na hinaharap ng ating bansa, ikaw nauuwi ka sa kung ano-anong mga kalokohan. Gawin mo na lang kung anong gusto mong gawin. Di ba? At sampalan, bakit pa sampalan? Pambabae yan. Suntukan na lang.
So myth, katang-isip lang, imagination, itong payapa sa Davao City. Hindi ko sila tinadown, sinasabi ko lang kung ano ang statistika.
This an order ng Davao myth. I would like to ask the President, President Sibon. You claim to have graduated from Wharton School of Economics. That is a myth. You did not graduate sa Wharton School of Economics, Mr. Rojas. Wala doon sa listahan na ikaw nakakompleto ka ng 4 years or 5 years for a degree. Tanungin mo ang Wharton School of Economics. Maybe umenroll ka niyang 3 months course, yung correspondence. I would believe that. Pero ikaw na nag-graduate, nakatoga, show me, toga na nandoon yung nanay mo na nagnada. I graduate of economics.
Okay.
Tapos sabihin mo sa akin na, Miss, well, it is not for you to say that. It is for the Davaoenos to tell us what it is all about. I never claim to be the author. And secondly, bakit sabihin mo the reports that you cited? Akala ko ba ikaw yung DILG? Kami operations lamang. Sige, dito kayo magpatrol. But all others, the submission, I do not even have a copy of the blotter every day or of the journal. Ikaw yung may hawak ng pulis. Bakit hindi mo ang pulis sa Davao kung talagang mabigat yung krimen? Either binulagan ng pulis mo, ito naman ang ginawa, or you were treated as a trust by the police. Kaya magpasurvey ka sa krami. Kung manalo ka, mag-withdraw ako tapos kakumpanyahan kita. Ikaw yung nag-umpisa eh. Ikaw yung nagsabi na may cancer ako. You broke the camel's back. I was really holding na ayaw ko. Then, you got my children into anger. Kaya hindi na sila nagsabi, wag. Go ahead. Just do it. Bye. Galit sa publicist mo. Ikaw yun eh.
Okay. Mayor, ang imong mga activities karong Pasko, imong mga pahalipay nga giambungan.
Pati yung sa Yolanda. I was there day 2.
Okay.
Mr. Rojas, you cannot handle stress. That I can tell the Filipino people. Huwag kayong magkamali na.
Okay.
He cannot handle stress. He has something, tatala-tala, 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 tatala-tala.